To the Novus family channel. My name's Edwin. This is my beautiful girl and wifey, Daphne. Today, guys, we got a new project. We got rid of our old one. We'll go to a backstory of what that car was. But we got a brand new car. It's a car that I'm gonna be teaching her how to drive and also how to build. And I'm also gonna be building it to a very nice liking. We're not gonna do no crazy modifications. Simple, nice, and we're gonna make sure it's street worthy and also street drivable. That's it. Yup. That's right, guys. What we got in Bug-eye WRX. It already has some upgrades on it, guys. We have the STI wing and a couple little things. This car does need a lot of work. There's a lot of stuff to it. Brakes, rotors got to be changed. Fender paint is all right. Paint is like a 6 out of 10, maybe a 5. I would say 6. We have to do a lot of stuff for it. Headlights don't work. One of the brake lights don't work. So we got a lot of work. It has some leaks, coolant leaks. No oil leaks right now that I see. And we got to replace some battery. But there's a little bracket that we have to find and replace. We got to change some interior pieces. So let's go ahead and pull this car in right now. So we have to unlock the car from this side. We just found out the driver's side doesn't unlock. So that's another problem we got to fix. Let's get this car started. The biggest things is we have to fix the shift linkage and a couple other stuff. It is a 5-speed manual. It has a lot of work, so hopefully you guys enjoy what we'll have coming for this car. It's going to be a long project. Hopefully you guys stick along with it. You guys get to see the stuff. I hope you guys can see the vision a little bit of what we got right here, guys. I traded my really good Miata for this. Miata had 5 years building it, and I got it to a point where I considered it complete in my own understanding and my own vision of the car. It's time to move on to something bigger, something a little more different, and that's what we're stepping into Subaru. Subarus have their common issues, but it's something we are willing to learn and take on. This is my boy Hatch right here. It's a kiddo, the big boy right here. And then we got our little one. She's kind of roaming around right now. This is Lola right here. This is our mom. So we got a lot of stuff going, but this is going to be the project for this year and upcoming years. There's a lot of stuff that we want to do to it. Any recommendations, any suggestions, anything you guys want to see firsthand, let us know. We'd be happy to consider it. We're going to be making a parts list soon for this vehicle to see what we need and what we can fix temporarily. And the main goal right now is to be able to get this car running on the road. The outside might not look perfect, but we need to get the headlights to work and we need to get it registered. And that's something that we'll be doing this week. Got the kiddos in here. They're already proving it. Checking it out. They're checking it out. They're in the spot right now. Yeah. These little ones. Lola's very good at hopping in the car. She likes being in. She loves being in the Miata. Hatch is really big. For some reason, he's just sniffing out stuff. How you feeling about the project, love?
I feel good. I'm excited.
Yeah.
I've never driven a manual car before, so this one's basically going to be mine.
Yeah, pretty much. So we're going to be working a lot, guys. There's a lot of stuff. There's some pieces here that we got to replace and work on. There's a lot of stuff, but we're looking forward to it. There's a check engine light we got to figure out first. There's a couple sensors that are messed up with it. And seeing what we end up doing with this car. Please let us know what you guys want to see.
Please follow along.
Please follow along. Let us know, guys. We have a lot of things that we want to do for it. All right, guys. We hope to see you guys in the next video. In the next one, we will be making a list. So, see you guys in the next one. Have a good one, y'all.